Introduction: Understanding linting errors.
Linting is the process of checking code for common mistakes, style issues, and potential bugs. Linting tools warn you about problems before your code runs, making your programs cleaner and more reliable. Here, we'll explore the most common linting errors developers face, with clear examples and straightforward solutions for each.
Unused variables.
A common linting error is declaring a variable but never using it. For example, let name equals Anna with no code that uses name. To fix this, either use the variable in your code or, if it's unnecessary, remove the declaration to keep your code tidy and avoid confusion.
Incorrect indentation.
Inconsistent indentation can make code hard to read and cause logic errors, especially in languages like Python. For example, if x equals 0, point positive. Here, print should be indented. Always follow your language's indentation rules and consider using an editor that auto-formats your code.
Missing semicolons.
In languages like JavaScript and C, forgetting semicolons can cause unexpected issues. Example, let x equals 10 without a semicolon. While some runtime environments insert missing semicolons automatically, it's good practice to add them yourself to prevent errors and improve clarity.
Unreachable code.
Unreachable code comes after a return, throw, or exit statement. For instance, return x console log high. The console log will never run. To resolve this, remove or rearrange code so everything is reachable and your intentions are clear.
Trailing whitespace and extra blank lines.
Trailing spaces and extra blank lines don't affect how your code runs, but they clutter your files and can introduce merge problems. Linting tools flag these issues. Fix them by deleting unnecessary spaces at the end of lines and reducing extra blank lines for a cleaner code base.
Conclusion: write cleaner code with linting.
By fixing linting errors like unused variables, bad indentation, missing semicolons, unreachable code, and extraneous whitespace, you make your code more professional and easier to maintain. Use a linter as part of your workflow and regularly review its feedback to learn and improve your coding skills.